That does not start. That's not good. Seriously, start! That's on, but I'm missing the clip right there. Please, let me find it. One hour later, and like I said, this clip is okay, but the one under there, not okay. So, I have just been on the road for over an hour, and now I do have this, the clip we need. I hope this is the correct one, but it should be. It's very tight, but no way, it's too big. Damn, look at this. Look at that, it's too big. If I put it like that, not all, it seems like it's tight, I don't know. If it starts now and the car does not leak, it's a success. The car fired yesterday, hopefully it will start today. Okay, there's no lights welcoming me here. No, it's completely dead. It's not a long time since I charged the battery and it's dead already. So I think the battery is broken. Can I seriously not catch a break? I'm going to buy a battery, but the stores are closed now. So I'll buy that tomorrow and then we'll see if the car leaks. Maybe I will get a clip tomorrow as well. Hey guys, and welcome to another day. I don't know, are we at day number 4 now or something? I have bought a new battery, that right here, 760A and then 95AH, 12 volts. I don't even know what that means, but it's almost the same spec as the one we got in the car, and that's a good thing. So hopefully we don't have to code the new battery in. So let's change the battery. I do have this key here which works for the trunk. So yeah, let's disconnect the minus terminal, the ground, and then that, and then the bracing we got right there, and then get this battery out of here. Okay, that's interesting. There's a lot of water down here. That's not good. There should be a bleed somewhere here, but that's probably clogged, so let's unclog it. Okay, there was a bleed thing right there. Now the water, it's going out. I just took a flathead screwdriver and pushed it down. It was a rubber thing. Let's just keep that out of there. We don't want water in the battery tray. That's not good. And I'm just going to say that this battery, probably a good battery, but I have tried charging it up for a long time and it does not work properly anymore. So, and winter is soon here as well, so we're going to need a new battery for that diesel cold starts. Okay, I have now taken some sandpaper on both that and the power terminal right there, and it's completely dry down here now, and we have taken out that plug right there and right there, so that's good. So now it's time to take the new battery in there. Okay, installed. We got both terminals, ground and power on there. We got this brace on right there. We got the bracket on under there. We got the venting. Water is out of there. We got some power. That's good. We have to see if the car starts. Probably does. I really hope so. There could actually be another problem with the car, and that is that it's draining power. I mean, there's a reason the battery like went dead. I mean, it should not be dead. But okay, let's now see if it fires right up, or does it not? It starts, that's good. That does not start, that's not good. Seriously, start! Low coolant level. Okay, the iDrive still does not turn on. Why is that? Is it because of the battery? I can connect my car and take a look. But good feeling, this car has not been running for a week. So yeah, nice. It seems fine, I can't see any leaks. You see that clip right there? That's the broken one. Or that clip is not broken, but it's too long. But I mean, it still keeps the pipe on, so it's not a problem. But I have ordered a new one from BMW, so it should arrive in a few days. Okay, so we got the battery replaced in the Carly app right here. So that's good, but still Idrive is all black. I don't know why that is. This car is way too new for me. I mean, I'm used to old E36s, E34s. Replace the battery, boom, you're done. But now, so much electrical stuff. Do you guys have any idea why the Idrive doesn't work? What can I do for it to work? This is really strange. But so far, the engine's coolant is getting hotter and hotter, and that's good. And I can't see any leaking so far. I can't hear any noises. If you remember, there were terrible noises when the car was running because of the loose water pump bearing. It seems fine. It's a little bit of water on the EGR thermostat, but that's just because I bled the system a little bit. Okay, I just got a fault, that there was a fault with the Idrive, and I now just removed that faulty code. But still, why? It said like hardware faulty, but maybe it's the Idrive that's broken on the car, and that is what's draining the battery for power. Is this the beginning of an E60 nightmare? Perhaps? I'm smiling. It's not funny, actually. It's not funny at all. I don't know what to say. Maybe I can use this as a donor car and take the engine into something else. That would be cool. Imagine buying a compact and having this 2.5 liter diesel engine in there. That would be cool. Okay, let's see now. Engine has 11 issues. You can always be scared by this because it's like super bad. But air conditioning, okay. Stability control, whatever. Airbag crash, whatever. Instrument, get away. Okay, now it doesn't say anything about the Idrive. The Idrive should work, but it still does not work. I will do one simple trick before we take it for a short drive, and that is to simply shut off the car. Maybe lock it as well, and then unlock it and start it again. Let's try it out. I do have the keys outside of the car, so it's safe to lock it. Let's see. It starts, that's good. But no Idrive. Well, let's take it for a drive anyways. Okay, so there's two things I'm worried about now. Coolant level, or not the level, but the heat. Will it overheat or will it stay at operating temps? Soon we are at operating temps, so then it will be exciting to see will it go above and get much hotter, or will it stay there like it should? And number two, that Idrive still doesn't work. I need some tips on that, seriously, because I have no clue why that doesn't work, and I'm kind of lost. I don't know too much about these cars. Did you know, fun fact, that on the E60 models and actually also the E87 and probably some other, yeah, E90 as well, models, the temperature on the coolant you can actually see in the speedometer. You just probably don't know it, because I didn't know it at first, but a guy DM'd me and said to me that the lines between 4,000 and 5,000 RPMs, that's the coolant temperature. I didn't know that. So that's pretty cool. So you can actually see, I will show you right here, that's the operating temperature. You see right there. So when the car is cold, it's lines all up to 4,000, but when it's the temperature it should have, it's at between 4,000 and 5,000 RPMs. 4,500 RPMs actually. I'm going to try and really rip it now to see if it can hold up, because it's important to know that. I mean, we can't just cuddle it around. We need some hard driving so we know we can take it at W's. So let's take off the traction control. Okay, let's go. Oh, hello. Woo! Kicks into gear. Rev limiter is at like almost 5,000. Oh, the brakes are shaking heavily. I forgot about that. I need to fix that as well. The front brakes are horrible. They shake a lot when you brake. There's a lot of things I need to fix with this car. Let's actually do one more second gear pull just to really let the coolant work. You know what? Let's do it from first gear. It pulls better than I thought. I remember the first video I made with this car, I said like, wow, it's really slow. And I mean, it all depends on how hard you drive the car. I mean, if I push the throttle to the floor now in third gear, yeah, some things do happen. But I just think maybe, I don't know if the exhaust was clogged or something before and now it's like breathes better. I don't know. But it seems more healthy now than it was earlier. At least that's my opinion. I think so, but it can be just my mind playing tricks on me. I don't know. Okay, we are home. Trying to hold it in. Maybe hold both in. I don't know. Oh, I'm lost here. Oh, I was supposed to try to save some money this winter. The car is staying at temperature. Go down in if you have any idea what the iDrive could be, please go down in the comment section and help me out, because I have no clue. I will do one last attempt, and that will be to not only just turn off and on the car like I just did, but I will actually take off the battery again. Okay, now that's off. Let's wait for like 1 minute and I'll take it on again. It is a possibility that it works now. I'm positive, because now I have, or earlier I did actually code in the Carly system and put it to the correct battery type. That was not the correct one before. So this is the first time after the car has been like reset and the Carly system is fixed. I don't know if that matters, but let's see. And come on. It starts, that's good. Damn, still black. Why? Okay, I have no other choice than to just end the video. Go down in the comment section, tell me what you think is wrong with this. It says on the coding like hardware faulty, but why should the hardware all of a sudden be faulty? It has worked perfectly fine before, so I don't get that, but there must be something with the battery, I think. But yeah, thank you guys for watching till the end, and I will see you guys in the next video, hopefully with a better vibe than we have right now. Goodbye.